Nope, it's already on your back. It's a giant tent and we're in the pine forest. This is the famous pine forest.
I can't feel my arm.
We're almost here. This is the bug out shelter. I had ordered this a few...
Substantial. It's kind of a DIY thing. This is, they're limbered up for the journey. That's something to get the muscles going.
I want to set this up as a bug out, like hunt shelter tent. It's good for moose, deer hunting if you guys are into that. There's no way around it. This is a massive tent. It is 14.5 feet long. They said they have smaller models and they said I could get a smaller model. I'm like, I have smaller models. Like if I want to go do like a winter or a fall and I want to be like comfortable, I want a big tent where you can spread out and then you can have multiple people coming and going and not upset everybody. So this is the Cuboid 4.4. Like I say, it's big. It's not something you're gonna port. You could put this as a pack in winter expedition. I think it's not so heavy that you couldn't sled it in. But as Kevin will attest, it's not something that you want to necessarily carry on your back for a big distance.
Well, if you drive up to your site,
yeah,
this thing's 100 square feet. You almost need a permit to build it on your property. Eat
some tree bacon and kind of chill out. Gonna give it a 5.5 for star rating, and we'll just have to test it out, see if it copes in the real world conditions that I want to put it through on a big challenge.